WT0155 Mariluga Home, 34 years old, married, midwifery, nanny, TH 2 years, Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I am Mariluga Home. I am 24 years old. I live with my family together with my kids. I have one sister. I am a college graduate, course midwifery. I am 3 hours far here in Manila, going here in Manila.
Tell me something about your work experience.
I have a work experience as a local here in San Pablo City, caregiver and a PH.
So what was your duties and responsibilities to your previous work?
As a caregiver, I have a patient who is diabetic. My duties and responsibilities: taking the vital signs, giving medication, and took care of the patient. As a DH, I have 2 children who is going to school. I take them to the school, and when I went back, I clean the house, cooking, marketing, ironing, cleaning the house.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I have.
So what are those Chinese foods?
Steamed fish, chop suey, corn soup, sotanghon chicken soup.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have.
What are those hobbies?
My hobbies are reading and swimming.
Who do you prefer to take care of? Newborn, elderly, or preschooler?
I prefer preschooler.
So are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
I'm not prefer taking care of the newborn because it's very sensitive.
How about elderly?
Yes, I can because I am a caregiver.
Okay, so do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, I know how to sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So can you handle a disabled person?
Yes, I can handle because I am a caregiver.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
Be busy myself doing all the things that I can do inside the house.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No, I won't break the contract.
What will you do for that situation?
I will say to my employer, I will finish my contract.
How long can you work in Hong Kong?
I can work as long as my employer want me. I can finish 2 years contract, and if they want me to renew a contract, I'm willing to.
And why you choose Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong because it's a good place. The people and the employer are good.
Do you have any message to your soon-to-be employer?
Yes.
Okay, give.
Sir, ma'am, I am Marilu. I hope you will like me as a caregiver or ABH or as a nanny because I have experience. I can do all the household chores. I can clean the house, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and if you have car, I can also drive and I can also clean.
Okay, thank you, Gahom. Marilu.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you.